Let's practice again loud. We're going to write it down in the chalkboard and practice loud. When I say loud, it just the voice that you can hear, okay? Louder than your normal voice. And when you practice things a little bit louder, you can understand it better. You can hear yourself. You can hear what the sound sounds exactly. So let's do it again. Alif, alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, dhal. See, it's easy. Inshallah, you'll get it. Inshallah. The next family has only 2 letters as well. You start a line and you drop it down towards the bottom and to the left, like a sword. Watch me how I do it. Okay. See, you start from top and you drop it down like a sword. So again, they look alike. So now we're going to initiate the dots. The dots is what initiates the sound. So the first one again doesn't get a dot. So we'll leave him. We're not going to give him a dot. The second one gets a dot above. Now they're different. So the first one is called ra. Ra. It's like you're saying reem. Ra. The second one is easy. The second one is like saying z, zay. It's like saying zain, ziyad, zain, ziyad, z, z. So ra and za or zain. So we have dal, dhal, ra, and za or zain. Very easy, huh? I know you can do it. The next family also has 2 letters. So this family is like number 3, looking up with a tail. So watch how I do it. Number 3, it's like number 3, looking up with a tail. Number 3 with a tail. It's easy. So again, first one doesn't get a dot either. Poor guy. And he's kind of like have a hissing sound, like he's mad. He's making hissing sound.